Good morning, class. Now, today we are going to start with the explanation from our English literature books. Now, today I am going to explain you chapter 4, that is the My Big Fat Cat. It's the poem. My Big Fat Cat is a poem written by Christian M. Matthew. It's the poem. So, first of all, take out your English literature books and open to chapter 4, My Big Fat Cat, on page number 27. Now today I am going to explain you this poem, My Big Fat Cat. First of all, I am going to read this poem and then I will explain you stanza wise. Now in this poem, let me tell you what the poet Christian M. Matthew is telling about. He is telling us about a big fatty cat who just loves to eat only. He is very talented in eating. He is found in a place where there is a food. Kitchen is his favorite place. He can't run even. He is that much fatty that he can't run even to save his life. Now, My Big Fat Cat is a poem by Christian M. Matthew. That Christian M. Matthew here is talking about a lazy cat who is loving the food very much, and he just loves the place where the food is being kept. Now, let us begin with the explanation of My Big Fat Cat from the book. Now, as I have told you that today I am going to start with chapter 4, that is the My Big Fat Cat. This is on page number 27. So, open your English literature books to page number 27. Now, today I am going to explain you the poem My Big Fat Cat, written by Christian M. Matthew. He is the writer. That means he is the poet of this poem who have written this poem, My Big Fat Cat. Now, first of all, before explaining the poem, I am just going to read the whole poem in front of you. Then I will explain it after reading. Let us begin with the reading of this poem. Read this poem to find out why the speaker could not submit his homework. I own a big fat cat, the fattest for miles around. Wherever there's a lots of food, that where he will be found. Second paragraph is, he is really good at eating. It's a talent, I suppose. I am sure if he keeps at it, he would win. The talent shows. Now turn to page number 28. I own a big fat cat. He weighs at least a ton. He could not run to save his life. Yes, he is not much fun. His favorite room's the kitchen. I am sure we all know why. He eats just about everything. So that's why, with a sigh, I'd like to tell you, teacher, I would like to tell you straight, I might have accidentally dropped my homework in his plate, by Christian M. Matthew. He is the writer of this poem. Now turn to page number 27 and let us begin with the explanation of this poem. I own a big fat cat, the fattest for miles around. He's saying that I am having a big fat cat, the fattest for miles around. He is a large area, the fattest one. That means he covers a large area around. Wherever there is a lots of food, wherever he sees a food, that where he will be found. Wherever there is a food kept, there at that place only the cat will be found, at that place only. He is really good at eating. He he is very good at eating. It's a talent, I suppose. He's saying it's a talent of her. That means it's the talent of the cat. I suppose. I am sure if he keeps at it. And I am that much sure if he continues to be like this only, he would have won the talent shows. And if he will continue to be like this, and if he will continue to like the food, and he will be found at the place where the food is kept at that, and I am very much sure that if there will be any of the talent shows, he will win that talent shows. Now turn to page number 28. I hope you all have got these two paragraphs that I have explained. Now turn to page number 28 for further explanation. Third paragraph is, I own a big fat cat. That means I am having a big fat cat. He weighs at least a ton. That means he is very much heavy because he loves to eat food only, and that's a talent in him to be seen at the place where the food is being kept. He could not run to save his life. He just could not run also to save his life. That means he is very much fatty. Yes, is it not much fun? This is not much fun because he cannot run and he can't save his life. So that is not the just fun for him so that he can save his life. His favorite room is the kitchen. His favorite room is the kitchen only. I am sure we all know why. I am sure we are all knowing why his favorite room is kitchen. He eats just about everything. He eats just about each and everything which is kept there. He didn't leave any of the things. So that's why with a sigh. So if we take a deep breath to show one is tired or sad. When we take a deep breath and think that if we are sad or not, that's the way the cat is too. I would like to tell you, teacher, I'm telling you like this, teacher. I would like to tell you straight. I would like just to tell you straight. I might have accidentally dropped. I might have by mistaken. I have dropped my homework in his plate. My homework by mistakenly would have dropped it in his plate only. I would have dropped it in the plate of the cat. I hope you all have got this poem by Christian M. Mitchell. He is the writer of the poem. I hope you all have got how you have to. Now, I hope you all have got the explanation of this poem. If you have any doubts regarding the explanation, you can ask me. Now, today what you all are going to do in your notebook is, in homework you all are going to write the starting two paragraphs. That means these two paragraphs in your notebooks of chapter 4, My Big Fat Cat. You have to write these two paragraphs in your notebooks, starting from I own to talent shows. Thank you.